Hello friends, welcome to our channel IDRYTIS. Today we will learn how to create a basic application in flutterflow. First of all, open flutterflow.io. Link is in the description. Next step is to open your dashboard after signing in flutterflow. Create a project with any name. I am selecting demo app and start your project. In a few seconds, you will see a display. Our demo app is here. Now we will open it. Here you can see our user interface. So first of all, change the text, page title, and write demo app 1.0. Now to centralize it, click on these sliders. Now this is centralized. Now change this color to black or red. Now this color is applied on container of header. So now our next step is to drag and drop a text. So first of all, we will apply padding to this text. Next, we will use this slider to centralize it properly. Now, change it to title 1 and increase font size according to your requirements. And change the text and by default assign a value 0. So next step is to find a icon button and drag and drop it here. So now, first of all, we will apply padding. First of all, we will change its color. Here you can see I am changing color from transparent to red. Now we will change icon color to white. So now our button is ready. Now we have to centralize 0 properly. Now this is perfect. Now duplicate button and apply padding. Now I am also applying padding to above button. So now our user interface is ready. Now we have to change icon or color. First of all, I am changing its color to green. And now next step is to change icon of the button. Now first of all, in home page we have to change home page color from white to any other color. Select home page. And here you see a primary color. Change it to black and apply. Now first of all, change text color of 0 to white. Here you find a text color, choose a color and apply it. Now our user interface is almost ready. Now apply more padding for better user interface. So now change icon. There are lots of icons. You can use them, or there is an option you can add a custom icon. We will try to find a subtraction icon like minus. There is no icon like this. So we have to choose any other. So there are lots of icons. Let's scroll down. There is icon of location, addition, video, etc. So here is the icon. we'll use for decrement, and we will also change plus icon to above arrow increment. Here, now we have to change its color to red. Again, you can select any color. Now the next step is to create a local variable. First of all, open local state. This user interface will appear. Select your variable name and choose data type. I am choosing integer. So now assign from local state. Here you can see our variable. Now the variable is assigned to this text. Now we have to create action to increment button. Follow my steps and select your integer and this arrow and choose increment decrement, and by default it increments by 1. Now same steps for decrement. Open local state update and just change value from 1 to -1 for decrement. Now we have to run our application. Now our application is starting to build, so we have to wait for a few minutes, maximum 2 to 4 minutes. So you can see our build is started in a new tab. So we will open a preview by selecting eye icon on the top of the screen. We are previewing our app. So here is our app. You can select any device to check your app compatibility. This is a responsive application which can be easily run on Android, iOS, macOS, Windows, Linux, etc. Here you can see I am changing preview again and again on different devices: Mac, iOS and Android. Now this is iPhone 14 Pro Max. So now our app is still building. Now our app is built successfully. Now we have to test it. When we press this button, the value is increment 1 1. You can see this is increment and this is decrement. Whenever a user click on this button, the value is increment or decrement. And here we see the value is incrementing 1 by 1, adding and now subtracting. So I hope you like this video. So on different devices, different preview is available because flutterflow is a cross-platform and support all types of devices.